Hello everyone, start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side and tie it up at the back. Roll the hair in on itself, take two more sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back. Now take the remaining portions of the hair, divide it into three parts, add a rubber band and make a ponytail. Now add a rubber band to the middle section of it, roll the hair in on itself through this middle section. Once you have rolled the hair in on itself, pull each of them through the second section that you have created at the top. Now once you are done with all three sections of this, gather the hair together into two ponytails, roll the hair in on itself at the bottom once more, and add decorative pins on top of this. Next, we'll start off by gathering the hair together in a ponytail. Roll the hair in on itself by twisting it to the side. Now use your fingers in order to loosen some sections of the hair, as such. Once you are done with this, divide the bottom of the hair into three parts. Once you have braided the hair, add a rubber band at the bottom of it. Roll it upwards, pull out the sides using your fingers, as such. Roll it upwards and pin it up in place. Use a two-prong decorative pin in order to fasten it up in its place, as such. Next, start off by tying a ponytail to the hair, and now divide this ponytail into two parts. Taking the left section to begin with, make a fishtail braid out of it, and then taking sections from either side of it, make an interchange in the middle of it, and fasten it in place using these decorative clips, as such. Next, we'll start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, and now make a knot out of it, quite literally. Gather it together, tighten it, and now add a rubber band to the base of it. Now, once you do this, push this more towards the right side as such. Now, once you have tied up this knot, gather the rest of the hair together. We have decided to divide it into two parts. Starting with the left side, we have made a braid out of it, and now we have made a braid out of the right side as well. Now, crisscross them at the bottom. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself. Now, take a section from the left side, twist it, and pull it through the upper section that you have created. Twist the other section from the left side again. Once you're done with this, gather all of the hair together, and then make a braid out of it. Add a rubber band to the bottom of this, and then roll it upwards. Once you roll it upwards, bend it over and pin it up in place using a bobby pin. Now, on top of this, use decorative pins to it, as such. Next, tie a ponytail out of the hair. After you have tied your ponytail, in the last loop, divide the hair into two parts as such. Now, twist one section over the other, and then do this until you reach the bottom. Tie a rubber band once you reach the bottom. Now, roll this upwards, fold it over, and make a bun out of it. Fasten it in place using a two-prong decorative pin as such. Thank you for watching.